Hello everyone, this is my online YouTube channel Classes on English Literature. Today I am going to discuss Shakespearean sonnets, the famous genre in English literature. Before I will start my video, I request you to please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you. Poems written by Shakespeare on various themes named Shakespearean sonnets. Almost 154 sonnets in English literature written by Shakespeare were published in a quarto in 1609. Another 6 sonnets which were written by Shakespeare were included in the plays like Henry V, Edward III, Love's Labour's Lost, and Romeo and Juliet. Shakespearean sonnets. Shakespeare did not invent the sonnet form in English literature. It was already invented by Giacomo da Lentini in 13th century in Italy. He wrote sonnet in Sicilian dialect, but the perfecter of the sonnet form was Francesco Petrarch in 14th century in Italy. The first introducer of sonnet in English literature was Thomas Waite. Then from John Donne to John Milton, every English writer, English poet almost wrote sonnets in 16th century. Shakespeare was the master of this form. Now I am going to discuss the features of this form, these Shakespearean sonnets. I have already said that Shakespeare did not invent Shakespearean sonnets. The original form of sonnet was in Italian form, that is, a sonnet is 14 lines long. Shakespearean sonnet is also 14 lines long, but the structure of the Shakespearean sonnet is different from Petrarchan sonnet of Italy. Shakespearean sonnet is of 4 parts, is divided into 4 parts. The first 3 parts of Shakespearean sonnets are called quatrains, and the concluding part is called couplet. The first 3 parts of quatrains are of 4 lines each. That means 12 lines of quatrains, and the last 2 lines couplet. Total are 14 lines. Quatrains of first 3 parts, that 4 lines of each. The rhyme scheme is A B A B C D C D E F E F G G. For example, sonnet number 14, that I will say the sonnet number 14. Not from the stars do I my judgment pluck, and yet methinks I have astronomy, but not to tell of good or evil luck, of plagues, of darts, or seasons' quality, nor can I fortune to brief minutes tell, pointing to each his thunder, rain, and wind, or say with princess, if it shall go well, by oft predict that I in heaven find. There you can see the first in the first line, the last word of the first line is pluck, and the last word of the third line is luck. They both are rhyming words. Now in the second line, the last word of the second line is astronomy, and the last word of the fourth line is quality. They are also rhyming words. So you can see that the first line, the last word of the first line and the last word of the third line rhyming with each other, and the last word of the second line and the last word of the fourth line are also rhyming with each other. So the rhyme scheme is that of A B, C D, C D, E F, and the concluding part is that couplet, the last two lines of the couplet rhyming with each other, G G. The last words of the two lines rhyming with each other of the couplet. So the rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet is clear. Next feature of Shakespearean sonnet is the structure. Structure is very different from Petrarchan sonnet. The Petrarchan sonnet is the 14 lines of Petrarchan sonnet is divided into octet and sestet. The first 8 lines of Petrarchan sonnet is called octave or octet, and the next 6 lines is called of Petrarchan sonnet is called sestet. But Shakespearean sonnet is divided into 4 parts. The first 3 parts are quatrains, and the next part, the fourth part, is couplet. This is the structure of Shakespearean sonnet, which is different from Petrarchan sonnet. Another feature of Shakespearean sonnet, every line of Shakespearean sonnet has 10 syllables. That means 5 iambs of 2 syllables each, which is written in iambic pentameter. For example, I can give you sonnet number 130. My mistress's eyes are nothing like the sun. Here you can see, my mistress's eyes are nothing like the sun. The stress is on the second syllable. That is the feature of iambic pentameter, which is every Shakespearean sonnet is written in iambic pentameter. Shakespeare was such a master of iambic pentameter that he wrote every sonnet in an eminent proficiency. I will discuss iambic pentameter in my next video in a vast form. Today I discuss it in a brief way. Thank you. That's all.